up, everybody? Welcome back on Pokey Wheels. Hope everybody's having a great day. And today we got part 2, searching for Pikachu. So yeah, we got the second half of the 40 packs right here. And we're going to jump into it. And always remember to smash the like button, hit subscribe, and hit the notification bells for our upcoming videos. We got a lot of stuff planned. So here we go. Alright, here's our 20 packs. Let's go ahead and get into it. Alright, first pack. See if we can find that hyper rare Pikachu. Are y'all ready for this? Alright, code card. Oops. 1, 2, 3, 4. Make sure the right side up. Energy. Kakuna. Alright. Stunfisk. Tailo. Charmander. There we go. Wooper. Meowth. Cottony. Reverse Snorlax. Okay. And a Metagross. Non-holographic. Alright. Not too bad starting off. Okay. If I get the pack open. There we go. Alright. Code card for anybody. Always let me know what y'all get in the comments. Alright, there we go. Beauty. Stone Energy. Meowth. Alright, Blitzel. Slugma. Fampy, reverse. And a Garbodor, non-holographic. Alright. Hopefully we get some good pulls out of these second half of the 40 packs. Oh, if you haven't seen yesterday's video, stop this one, go watch that one, then come back to this one, so you'll be all caught up. Alright, here we go. Chino, Rockruff, Clefairy, reverse, and Fable, non-holographic. Alright, okay. Alright, code card for anybody. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, Energy, Shuckle, Cranrant, Rotom, Beldum, Creamery, Wooper, Makeda, Whismer. There we go. Raku. Oop. Amazing rare and holographic. There we go, right there. I wanted to go flying. Have my code card. Sleeves already. That's a beautiful, beautiful card right there. Alright, let's keep the pulls going. Sorry if I do butcher the Pokemon's names. Alright, code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, Energy. Dusclops, Beauty, Mudspray, Joltik, Weedle, Tailo, Sandile, and reverse. There we go. A Coastal V. There we go. Another ultra rare. That is gorgeous right there. Alright. Alright, next pack. If I can get the pack open. There we go. Okay. Code card. Oops. Sorry if I spoiled anything on that pack. Alright, Energy. Dusclops. Whismer. Alright, Wilmer, Cottony, Dusclops again. Woo, there we go, Rayquaza Amazing Rare. Alright, non-holographic rare. That is gorgeous. We've got 2 amazing rares in this. Alright, that is gorgeous right there. Pulled one yesterday and pulled one today. Alright. Alright. code card. Sorry for the glare. 1, 2, 3, 4. I gotta get better light. Alright, Energy, Metacargo, Nissa. Alright. Frostseed, Joltik, Sandile, Seedot. Okay. Lycanroc, Reverse, and non-holographic. Okay. Alright, but that is alright. We still got some packs to go. You know, if we do not pull Pikachu, we're going to have to get some more Vivid Voltage and keep searching for them. Alright, Energy, Moo Moo Cheese. Alright, Frosthorn, Slugma, Beldum, Creamery, Wooper, Nikita, Cramorant Reverse, and Metagross non-holographic rare. Okay. Alright. Come on, Pikachu pack. Give us the Pikachu. You think it'll give it to us? We're about to find out. Alright. Code card. There we go. Let's see if it focus. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. Energy. Alright. Here we go. Execute. Alright. Skittle. Shoopit. Reverse. And a Donphan. Non-holographic. Alright. Our 10th pack right here. And we got 10 more right there. Okay. Code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Energy. Oops. Alright. Sableye. Just Clops. Or sorry. Skittle. Shoopid. Frostseed. Joltik. Reverse. And a Leon holographic. Alright. Not too bad, not too bad. Alright. Second pack, or second half of the 10. Last bit of the 40 packs right here. Can we pull it? Code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. Energy. Metank. Alright. Beauty. Yama. Meowth. Duskull. Oops. Voltorb. Reverse Wooper. And a Cafable non-holographic. Alright, let's keep it rolling. Alright. Alright, there we go. Code card for anybody. 1, 2, 3, 4. Always remember to share the code cards. Get a few for yourself. Charmeleon. Alright. Seedot. Alright. Mudspray. Joltik. Weedle. Beedrill Reverse. And a holographic. There we go. That looks pretty cool, don't it? Alright. Okay. Alright. Let's see what's going to be in this next pack right here. Alright. Code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. Energy. Oops. Alright. Sableye. Blitzel. Skidadoo. Frostseed. Dene. Drillbur. Reverse Voltorb. And a Zarude V. There we go. Okay. Starting to heat up. Here we go. Alright, that's gorgeous right there. Alright, next pack. Alright. Code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, Energy. Alright, there we go. Rocket Helmet. Alright, Rock Ruff, Blitzel, Skidadoo, Frost Seed, Reverse Eevee. Alright, non-holographic rare. Okay, not too bad. Still looking for that Pikachu, or any hyper rare at this point. See if we can get anything out of these. Oop, sorry. Code card. If I can get it right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, energy. Alright, here we go. Alright, Rock Ruff, Blitzel, Skidoo, Frost Seed, Dedenne, Reverse, and a Creamy non-holographic. Okay. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 left. Alright, here we go. Last couple packs. If I get it open. Alright, code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, water. There's Clops. Electric. Charmeleon, Voltic, Sandile, Seedot, Mudspray, Reverse, and Lucario non-holographic. Okay. Couple packs left. Can we get any fire pulls out of these? If I can get this pack open here. Didn't want to come open. Alright. Code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Card trick. Energy. Alright. Here we go. Seedot. Electrike. Fairy. Alright. Yama. Reverse. Snorlax holographic. Okay, that is a cool holographic. The artwork looks gorgeous. Alright, 3 packs left. We'll save the Pikachu one for last. Do the Orbeetle pack first. Alright, code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, energy. Alright. A tank. Sandile. Pineco. Fairy. Alright. Reverse League Staff. And Lugia holographic. That is a cool card right there. Alright, that's Zarude pack. Alright, code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Second to last pack. Here we go. Energy. Moo Moo Cheese. Sableye. Alright, here we go. Mudspray. Joltik. Weedle. Towel. Vaporeon. Reverse. Alcreamery. Non-holographic. That is alright. Last pack. Pikachu. Can you give us the hyper rare Pikachu? Always remember, smash that like button for this video, please. It'll help out the channel a lot. Alright, here we go. Last pack magic. Can we get it? Code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Electric energy. Stunfisk. Oops. Sableye. Cramorant. Whismur. Trubbish. Clops. Woobat. Pineco Reverse. Non-holographic rare. Dang, we did not get the hyper rare Pikachu. But we did get some good pulls right here. We're going to do a recap. We got the Zarude V, ultra rare. We got the amazing rare Rayquaza, and we have the other ultra rare right here. That is gorgeous. And we have the Colossala V. Sorry if I pronounced that wrong. But I do hope y'all enjoyed the video. So we did not pull the hyper rare Pikachu, so we will continue searching for it. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Smash the like button one last time. And I will see y'all on the next one.